What's up guys, I'm back with another tutorial. I'm playing with positive 6. It's C# tutorial. The song engifundisa namhlanje it's Uyasondla asidele umumalo siyabonga. Okay, I'm gonna play that part. I don't want to search the full song right now. I'm tired. I've made 5 songs with 2 keys, F# and C#. Okay, this is the 6th one. Okay, subscribe to the channel, click the notification icon, like the video. Okay guys, share the word about the channel. Don't just benefit alone, and refer to please donate with airtime. My number is in the description box. It's a Telkom network. So yeah, the song goes like this. I'm gonna break it down first, then I'm gonna play it first and break it down. Okay, it goes like this. That part only, guys. Okay. Okay. Slow, okay. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Okay. That's it. Simple as that. I don't want to waste your data. This is the tutorial. Watch the videos, guys. Subscribe, click the notification icon. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Shop.